This week in science, we're going to be looking at animal classification. In order to help us with our animal classification, we're going to be using the program Espresso. To find Espresso, you need to use the Google search tool or any other search tool and type in Espresso. Once you've discovered Espresso, it will say Discovery Education, which is the company that makes it. If you click into Discovery Education, it will take you to the Discovery Education page. On the top right hand side of the Discovery Education page, there is a login button. Clicking in the login button, you will see that there is Espresso. When you've clicked into Espresso, it will direct you to a page to put in your login details. These login details have been sent to you in your Seesaw. Essentially, the username is the student19674 with no spaces in it, and the password, which is also attached in your Seesaw, which I won't be reading out. Clicking into your Espresso, eventually it will log you in to where you need to be. If you search in the top search bar for animal classification, it will bring up a list of objects, which in this case we have found 2,219 resources to do with animal classification. Don't worry, we don't need to search through all of them. The third one down has the picture of the video and says animal classification. Unfortunately, we're not able to just send a direct link for animal classification to the website because Espresso won't allow us to stream the video without going through their site and entering their passwords. Hence why I've gone through this long, lengthy process of how to get into it. You will watch the video about animal classification by clicking on the button at the bottom. Now, when you have finished watching the video on animal classification, on the school website, there is an activity to do with sorting animals with some sorting cards. If you're able to print the cards out, that's fantastic. If not, do not worry. You can simply write a list of which ones go together into which groups for your animal classification. Hope this makes sense. Have a good science lesson, and we will see you next week.